Hi, welcome to the Pentart Playbook. This is where I'm going to show you all about the different Pentart products. Now each month I'm going to break it down into different categories and I'm going to show you a product, how to use it, what it is, and even include some pro tips along the way. I'm so glad you are here. I'm Shannon and I am from Pick and Booth Vintage. Let's get started. We are going to talk about the Pentart Bonding Primer. Comes in two different sizes at 230 milliliters and 100 milliliters. Let me open up my playbook and we can get started. So the bonding primer is very important for surfaces that are shiny. When I say shiny, I'm talking like glass, metal, tile, or plastic. Because if you paint directly on these, your paint is not going to stick. So you need to properly prep your product, whatever project you're on, you need to prep it properly. So that is when you need the bonding primer. So the bonding primer is a game changer. It's water-based. It helps the paint stick to your surface. Real quick on how to use it. You're going to make sure your surface is clean. You're going to stir it. It's very important. You can't shake it. You must stir it because all the good stuff is on the bottom. Just like any of the primers out there, I know there are a lot of primers you have to stir it. So take a second, stir it. You will not regret it. If your bonding primer fails, it's probably because you didn't stir it. All right. After you stir it, you are ready to prep your piece. So you're going to put on very thin coats. Well, thin coats. So you're just going to brush it on evenly. You can brush it or sponge it on, whatever way you prefer. You're going to let it dry completely. It's going to take 1 to 3 hours. You can also use your heat gun on it if you want. Also, you can use this on furniture. So there's different recommendations if you're going to put on furniture, though. So the recommendation for furniture is put 1 coat on, let it dry, the 1 to 3 hours, put the second coat on, and then let it sit for 24 hours. After that 24 hours, you're good to go. So it can be used on furniture too, because there are plenty of laminate pieces of furniture out there, and this will be perfect for it. Okay, so one pro tip I have on the bonding primer would be you might want to lightly sand, especially glass, just lightly sand with 220 grit on your surface and then clean off the residue and then go ahead and prime it. So this is why bonding primer is so important, because if you don't apply this, your paint will come off if it's scratched or bumped. So definitely make sure you use a primer.